And this is the bike that I have. It's the same thing that I had before, the GC1 Genesis. If you're familiar with my Instagram, it's ScooterBoss13. Same thing as my YouTube. Um, if you went to that, I have a picture a while down of this bike, and I just got it customized. I don't know if you know this company, Savage Riders Bike Co. They are the one that sponsored me. He's actually my brother, so he hooked me up with some parts. So the only thing that changed is basically everything. I got the seat angled now. Instead of like this, it's like this now. So sweet. I got some basic red plastic bar ends. Got them at Ridley's. They're a piece of crap, but they work just as long as there's some in there. The grips are DK grips. I'm not sure how good. I also might get some ODIs from him. They're nice grips overall. I mean, swapped around, they last longer, but this way is more comfortable. I'm in my garage right now. Then same thing, same grip on that side. They're 26.5 wide, so basically 27 wide. They are tiny. They have about 4 inches right here. I swapped the stem around, so it's about 7 inches, 7.5 inches bar raise. So yeah, they're in this cool maroon. Also matches the front rim. Then I have a GC1 Genesis stem. I'm not sure what it's called. Like I said, it's complete and I don't know much about bikes. I have just the bolt and stuff, the spacer that came with it, impact headset, the GC1 Genesis fork, then it did have brakes on it. That's why this and stuff is here. The bars are either chromoly or high tensile. They're probably high tensile, and the fork and bars and or not bars, deck and stuff is chromoly. Then the tire is the front tire is Colt. The back tire is, it says right there, pitch black. They're 20-inch by 2.35. You don't believe me? It says right there. And yeah. Then the front rim is GC1 Genesis rim with a Colony front. No, I think it'd be hub maybe. Anyways, moving on. Then I have really big axles that come with it. The back rim is a Colony rim. It's one of the best rims you can get. It has 8mm Allen wrench instead of socket, so that's something new. It is a 9-tooth. As you can see right there. It's really loud. If I have a way to break it. As you can see, it's really loud. Sometimes that's good. That all in personal preference. I think it's kind of cool. Then we have a Colony. The whole rim is Colony. It's pretty good. I was doing tail whips, so it's a little bit bent. Not too bad. I mean, overall, smashing the rim on the ground a lot. It's held up pretty good. His bike is over there. It's pretty sweet. Chromoly frame, chromoly steel. Then I have a Skull Candy seat I think they're a headphone company, but it's pretty cool seat. It's not the comfortable, but does the job. Then my next bike is up there. It's just gonna be my travel bike. This one's my BMX one. It's overall a good bike. I have metal pedals. I think they're better than aluminum pedals. Sorry. Then plastic ones. Those ones are plastic. And yeah, so that's my bike. I also cleaned out my garage a little bit. There's a little bit more space now. Then just my car complete. I also got a titanium tube that I also cut down. It's nice and smooth right there now. You can't really put bar ends in there. Then I just have the basic grip that comes with it. Overall, I like this tube. It's thicker than most tubes, as you can see. It's 26.5 wide, like 23 high. Like I said, I did that little thing. Just raise your bars up 2 inches. Then, yeah, works really good. It's titanium, so it's like incredibly strong. In my opinion, titanium is the best material. And yeah, that's my bike. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.